can you build muscle without weight? So in other words, can you build muscle mass with calisthenics bodyweight exercises? So guys, this is another Throwback Thursday post from our hashtag TBT Q&A series. So first, I'm gonna share my answer that I had to this question back in 2012. Then I'll answer it again today with my current thoughts. So, will my answer be the same after 7 years? Let's find out. Can I build muscle with body weight? Yes, you can, to a point. Building muscle is all about overloading the muscle with more weight. So if you're just starting off and you're doing bodyweight exercises, that's a new stimulus that your body's not used to, so you will be building muscle. However, after you get to a point where you can't keep progressing, you're gonna potentially plateau, and that's where you're gonna need to add more weight to overcome the amount of weight that your body is used to lifting. All right, now let's fast forward 7 years later and see if my answer is still the same. The answer is yes, you can build muscle without weights. However, here's the big but. Building muscle mass with only body weight exercises will be harder to do. Now here's why. In my muscle building program, Live Lean Mass 2.0, I designed the workouts to tap into the 3 mechanisms for muscle growth. Now, without getting into too much detail, let me just quickly share what these 3 are. Number 1, mechanical tension. So to sum up mechanical tension, it essentially means lifting heavy weight. So when you do a bench press with a barbell that weighs more than your body weight, your muscles adapt, thus leading to muscle building. So ask yourself, when you're performing a body weight exercise, can you overload the muscle that you're targeting with enough weight to fulfill this muscle building requirement? In most cases, you can fulfill this method with more advanced body weight exercises like pull-ups or handstand push-ups, but it's gonna be difficult. All right, muscle building mechanism number 2, muscle damage. Now, this muscle building mechanism focuses on breaking down the muscle fibers to create muscle damage. So think about muscle damage as like having sore muscles maybe the 1 or 2 days after the workout. It's not a necessity, but that's a good feeling. And number 3, metabolic stress. So this can be accomplished by keeping constant tension on the muscles and essentially burning them out during the set. So after your workout, if you get that good pump where you feel like your muscles are full, you probably accomplished this muscle building mechanism. Okay, so here's the bottom line. As you can probably tell, it's much easier to fulfill all 3 of these muscle building mechanisms with weight training. So in other words, lifting barbells, lifting dumbbells, using resistance bands, or any type of extra resistance. And this is because you can progressively overload your muscle with more weight over time, and that is key to muscle building. So when it comes to building muscle with only body weight, the most challenging muscle building mechanism will be creating mechanical tension. So in other words, progressive overload by lifting heavy weight. So since your body weight is only so heavy, for somebody who's intermediate or advanced trainee, it becomes harder to build muscle, especially in your legs and in your glutes, using just body weight. So if this is you, you're gonna have to find new ways to continually make your body weight exercises harder for your body to perform. So here's an example. Switch your traditional bilateral body weight exercises. So exercises where you have 2 legs or 2 arms, like the squat or the push-up, with more challenging unilateral exercises using 1 leg or 1 arm, like pistol squats or 1-arm push-ups. Now, this can overload the muscle with enough weight to then cause it to grow. You can also slow down the eccentric, so the lowering of the push-up or the squat, to also help overload the muscle. However, if you're a beginner, your body weight can be all you need to start your muscle building journey. And the reason for this is simple. These calisthenics body weight exercises will place a new stimulus on your muscles, and your body weight can be all you need to grow new muscle. But here's the big thing again, as you continue to progress, you'll need to incorporate more difficult body weight exercises into your program, or you're gonna eventually plateau. So when this happens and you still wanna add more muscle, it's usually best to follow a weightlifting resistance training program. So regardless if you're new to working out or an experienced pro,
following a properly structured program is key to reaching your goals as fast as possible. So guys, we get asked this question all the time. What's the best program for us? That's why we created our Live Lean Body Quiz to help find you the best program based on your goals, your fitness level, and access to equipment. So regardless if you train with weights or you just train with your body weight, we have a program designed for you. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can go take that quiz. All right guys, so in the comments section below, I wanna know, do you train with weights or do you train with body weight? Let's get that discussion started, and thanks for watching, and keep living lean. Boy.